History detectives, your mission starts now. Heads up, there might be a ghost fact hiding in here. Stay sharp. What system of manufacturing, where goods are produced in large quantities by machines in a division of
mass
labor,
production.
became prominent
Before
during the
railroads
Industrial
became
Revolution?
widespread?
What was a common mode of long-distance passenger travel
Nailed
in
it!
the United
Steamboat.
States? Simon Bolivar played a key role in the independence of which region? You got it, South America. Besides spices, what was another highly valued trade good from Asia that Europeans sought
right,
during
silk.
the Age of Exploration, prized for
What
its
was the main
delicate
reason for
beauty
the
and
Crusades?
artistry? You got it, to reclaim the Holy Land from Muslim control. Which of the following is a consequence of the rigid social hierarchy of the feudal system? You got it, limited opportunity for advancement. The Colosseum was originally known by what name? You got it, Amphitheatrum Flavium. What was a major focus of the progressive era reformers in the early 20th century? Correct. Increasing government What was regulation one of the businesses? earliest uses of steam power, even before its widespread application in
Nailed it,
factories?
pumping water out of mines.
What is the name of the first human to journey into space? Nailed it, Yuri Gagarin. Like, follow, and tap that bell. Geography drops tomorrow.